Everyone dreams of success. Everyone wants a better life, more achievements, and more happiness. But do you know why most people fail? It's because they underestimate the power of small habits. You say to yourself, I'll do it tomorrow. Maybe later. Not today. And slowly, days turn into weeks, and weeks turn into months. That's the silent trap, and most people don't even realize they're caught in it. If you can relate to this, then stay with me till the end, because this story will completely shift your mindset. And yes, if you watch till the last minute, I'll share with you a bonus tip that can truly change your life. Aarav was a young boy with fire in his eyes and dreams bigger than his circumstances. He wanted to achieve something great, to become successful, to make his family proud. But Aarav had one weakness. He never respected small habits. He believed that unless you do something huge, you cannot become successful. So whenever it was time to study, he thought, I'll start tomorrow. Whenever he had to exercise, he thought, maybe later. And slowly, all the important tasks in his life were pushed to someday. Days passed, weeks passed, and nothing really changed. Aarav's dreams were big, but his habits were weak. This made him frustrated and disappointed in himself. One evening, Aarav went to his grandfather. Seeing his worried face, the grandfather asked, "My child, why are you so upset?" Aarav replied, "Grandfather, I want to do something big in life. I have big dreams, but I always delay my work. I don't know what's wrong with me." Grandfather smiled gently and said, "Let me tell you a story. Once there was a farmer who planted bamboo seeds in his field. He watered them every single day. The first year, nothing happened. The second year, still nothing. The third year, again nothing. People around him laughed and said, 'You are wasting your time. Nothing will grow.' But the farmer did not stop. He continued watering the seeds with patience and consistency, and then, in the 5th year, something magical happened. The bamboo suddenly grew, 80 feet tall in just 6 months. Now tell me, Aarav, did the bamboo grow in 6 months or in 5 years? Aarav thought for a moment and said, "In 5 years. Because all those years of watering made it possible." Grandfather nodded, "Exactly. Success works the same way. Big results come from small habits, repeated every single day. Without them, dreams remain only dreams." Then grandfather shared 5 small habits that could change Aarav's life. 1. Wake up early. Even 30 minutes earlier can give you extra time to focus on your goals. When the world is still asleep, your mind is fresh and distraction-free. Those quiet moments in the morning can become the most productive hours of your life. 2. Read 10 pages daily. Knowledge compounds like money in a bank. 10 pages may feel small, but in 1 year, that's more than 12 full books. Imagine how much wisdom and new ideas you can collect just by reading a little every day. 3. Exercise for 15 minutes. A healthy body creates a powerful mind. You don't need a gym or heavy workouts. Even simple stretching, walking, or light exercise can make your body active and your mind sharp. Energy creates confidence, and confidence attracts success. 4. Plan your day. Write your tasks and complete the most important one first. Most people waste hours deciding what to do. But if you plan ahead, you start your day with clarity. And when you complete your biggest task first, you feel motivated to finish everything else with more energy. 5. Practice gratitude. Every night, write down 3 things you are thankful for. It may sound simple, but gratitude rewires your brain. Instead of complaining about what you don't have, you start noticing what's already good in your life. This positive mindset reduces stress, improves sleep, and gives you strength to face challenges. At first, Aarav followed these habits without seeing much change, but after a few months, he started noticing small improvements, more focus, more energy, and more confidence. Years later, Aarav became a successful entrepreneur. And whenever people asked him, "What's the secret of your success?" he smiled and said, "Big success is always built on small habits." Now here's your bonus tip: attach a new habit to an old one. For example, if you already drink tea in the morning, right after that, read 5 pages of a book. This is called habit stacking, and it makes success almost automatic. So my friend, what about you? Will you keep waiting for the right time? Or will you start building your future with small habits today? If you found this story valuable, then hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with someone who needs this reminder. Because remember, small habits create big success.